क्या ज़ॉम्बी बैक्टीरिया बन सकते हैं? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore a very mysterious bacteria in microbial world, that is known as zombie bacteria. Some bacterial spores has been collected from the old time, and they were remained inactive state for many years. When environmental condition become favorable, they become active again. Uh, Scientists research and discovered some bacteria they were remain inactive for long time. When suddenly environmental condition improve, they become active again suddenly. Some bacteria enter in human body in dormant state or survival state, and they can there for long time. When they enter in body, they have slow activity or very low activity for survival a long time. When environmental condition improve and favorable condition develop, then they wake up and become active very rapidly. So the examples of zombie bacteria, one of the most famous example is Bacillus spores, which is produced by Bacillus species, and this is the most famous example which these bacteria can survive in harsh condition for a long time. Other example of zombie bacteria, here I am mentioning one of them is bacterial spores, which is bacterial spores which is produced by Bacillus or Clostridium species. They can form a spore from outer side their body. This is like a cover protecting layer, and this layer is protect them from external environmental condition and like heat, dryness, and they are lack of nutrients. When environmental condition improve, they can grow, they can germinate, and then they can grow. Other example of zombie bacteria is dormant tuberculosis. Mycobacterium tuberculosis has entered in human body, and they can remain in active state for a long time. If some patient have latent tuberculosis without symptom, the bacteria can enter in their body, and then they can remain in their body for long time. When environmental condition become favorable or their immunity become weakens, they can active again. Another example is viable but non-culturable bacteria. Some bacteria enter in human body in a alive state, but that time they can't do anything because they are in inactive mode. And they can't detect. When environmental condition improve, they can waken up, and then they can easily detect. So zombie bacteria means it is not like zombie monster in movie. These are bacteria which have extraordinary ability to survive in the harsh condition for a long period, and they show the power of microbes, extraordinary power of the microbes in the microbial world. So zombie bacteria are not real zombie, but they have a extraordinary survival abilities. सो आपको क्या लगता है, क्या ज़ॉम्बी बैक्टीरिया से एंटीबायोटिक ट्रीटमेंट के लिए चैलेंज हो सकता है? अपने ओपिनियन कमेंट में ज़रूर बताएं, और मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मुझे फॉलो करें। धन्यवाद।